Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today let's discuss on what are BTC. So what is this BTC? BTC stands for Bitcoin. So what are these Bitcoins? These Bitcoins is kind of a cryptocurrency or a digital currency, we can say. It's a kind of software, a networking software that runs on a protocol known as blockchain. So cryptocurrency, or you can call it as a digital decentralized currency basically it is a networking software that runs on blockchain. So these bitcoins are like a digital currency which records basically the transactions in a distributed ledger. So we know, right, the transactions will happen, it can be of money transaction or asset transaction or whatever be. Whenever it's happened in a digital form, it can be easily tracked under as a distributed ledger using this Bitcoin under the blockchain concept. So basically it is used to record transactions on distributed ledgers. So this Bitcoin miners run complex computer rigs to solve the complicated puzzles in an effort to confirm groups of transactions, which will be thereby forming blocks in the blockchain. So upon successful compilation of these blocks, they are added to the blockchain record and the miners are rewarded with small set of Bitcoins. So one way how this is traded is they have to solve complicated puzzles. So that the transactions enter into the block record and thereby in return the Bitcoin miners will be rewarded with Bitcoins. So another way how these Bitcoins are traded is they are traded in the form of tokens. Say Bitcoin are traded as digital tokens and they are traded in the Bitcoin market. And this will happen through peer-to-peer on the cryptocurrency exchanges. Peer-to-peer it will happen. So no intermediaries. So due to this non-intervention of the third party or the broker dealers, this has really attracted the government and many other financial institutions. Also we know, right, there is a big craze for the Bitcoins in today's market world. So this is why this Bitcoin is become kind of very important to protect against fraud and using a trustless system. So there is no person who is going to monitor here, because everything is going to be always handled within the digital codes using the blockchain. So this is like going to be a great work which will help us to protect ourselves from potential thefts, and it will help us to identify fraud activities and mitigate them. So soon this now we all know that Ethereum has come up with some ideas to work on this bitcoins. So the same way we can call it as like this bitcoin soon, once they are going to be put up in the market in most of the places, we can even see self-driving motor vehicles or cabs, autos, anything, where using this blockchain concept, those transactions related will be adjusted into the blockchain record, for that blockchain record, and those vehicles will be given a blockchain wallet with this bitcoins. So if a user wants to travel in that vehicle, they have to make a digital transaction to that particular blockchain wallet in the name of bitcoins. Once it is received, the vehicle will self-start and it will initiate the transport process. So even it can access the same blockchain wallet, and it can also fill up the fuel if in case it's needed. So like this, under so many areas, the bitcoin is they have a plan to play a major role in the future industries. So this is how it is going to be helping in bond trades, land titles, marriage certification, registration. It can be any smart contracts, basically any smart contracts. Any smart contracts can be easily achieved through these bitcoins. So hope you all got an idea of what are bitcoins. So soon we'll come up with a video of how it is how it's valued, or how we have to do the mining using that, and how it can be traded on exchanges in detail. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope to see you all soon on our next video. Please do subscribe to our channel and also share it to our friends. Until then, it's your VK signing off. Bye bye.